What if I told you that the fastest way to make money isn't a secret? It's something you can start today, no matter your background or financial situation. Imagine waking up 6 months from now with more money in your bank account than you've ever had before, just because you made the right moves now. In this video, you're going to learn proven strategies to make money fast, strategies that work, whether you're starting from scratch or already have some resources to build on. These are not get-rich-quick schemes, but real, practical methods that you can act on immediately to see results. I've spent some time helping people transform their financial lives, and today I'm going to share insights that have changed the game for thousands. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could be the difference between financial struggle and success. Let's face it, the need to make money fast is something we've all faced at some point. Whether it's to pay off unexpected bills, save for a dream, or finally break free from living paycheck to paycheck, the urgency is real. But here's the problem. Most people waste their time chasing unrealistic shortcuts or falling for scams that promise riches overnight. They work hard but don't work smart, and they keep making the same mistakes that keep them stuck. Take Sarah, for example. She was a talented graphic designer, but she struggled for years because she didn't know how to monetize her skills effectively. It wasn't until she learned to focus her energy on high-income activities that things started to change for her. Within 6 months, she doubled her income and created financial stability for the first time in her life. Now imagine if you could do the same. The strategies I'll share today aren't just about making money, they're about building momentum and creating opportunities for long-term financial freedom. 1. The truth about making money quickly. Separating fact from fiction. Let's get one thing straight. There's no magic formula for instant wealth, but there are legitimate ways to make money faster than you think, as long as you focus on strategies that are both sustainable and realistic. The first step is understanding the difference between short-term gains and long-term success. For example, you can make $500 today by selling old electronics you don't use anymore. But if you stop there, you'll quickly run out of options. Instead, the goal is to combine quick wins with strategies that build a steady income over time. Think of it like planting a garden. You can harvest fast-growing vegetables for quick results while also planting trees that will bear fruit for years to come. By balancing immediate actions with long-term planning, you'll create a system that generates money consistently. Here's the takeaway. Don't chase shortcuts that promise instant wealth but deliver disappointment. Focus on strategies that are proven to work, and you'll see results faster than you expect. 2. The mindset shift you need to make money fast. Wealth begins in the mind. If you believe that making money quickly is impossible or only for the lucky, you'll never see the opportunities that are right in front of you. Take John, a software engineer who felt stuck in his career. Once he shifted his mindset and started looking for ways to add value outside his 9-to-5 job, he discovered freelance coding projects that tripled his income within a year. The key is to adopt a growth mindset. Instead of asking, "Why can't I do this?" start asking, "How can I make this work?" This simple change in perspective can open doors you didn't even know existed. To apply this today, write down one belief you have about money that's holding you back, and then challenge it. Replace it with an empowering belief, like, "I have the skills to earn more than I currently do." When you start seeing opportunities instead of obstacles, making money fast becomes not only possible, but inevitable. 3. The power of high-income skills. Your income is directly tied to the value you provide. High-income skills like sales, digital marketing, copywriting, and coding are in demand and can transform your financial life. Take copywriting, for example. It's a skill that businesses are willing to pay thousands of dollars for because it directly impacts their revenue. By learning the basics through free YouTube tutorials or affordable courses, you can start pitching clients on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Consider this. If you land just 2 clients at $500 each, you've made $1,000 in a single month. Scale that to 4 or 5 clients, and you're looking at replacing a full-time income. The best part? These skills don't take years to learn. With focused effort, you can become proficient in as little as 30 days and start monetizing your expertise. 4. Leveraging the gig economy and freelancing platforms. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to turn your skills into cash. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TaskRabbit connect you with clients who are willing to pay for services you can provide. The trick is to specialize. Instead of offering generic services, Focus on one niche where you can stand out. For example, a graphic designer specializing in creating YouTube thumbnails can charge more than someone who offers general design services. Here's how you can start. 1. Create a professional profile that highlights your expertise. 2. Offer a competitive rate initially to attract your first clients. 3. Deliver outstanding work to earn positive reviews and increase your rates. Before you know it, you'll have a steady stream of income that grows with your reputation. 5. Turning your existing assets into cash. Most people have untapped resources they can monetize immediately. Whether it's an extra car, and used electronics, or even your knowledge, there are ways to turn what you already have into money. For instance, renting out your car on Turo can generate hundreds of dollars per week. Or, if you're knowledgeable about a specific topic, you can create a digital product, like an ebook, and sell it online. Start small. Identify 3 things you can sell or rent out today, and take action. You'll be surprised how much cash you can generate from items or skills you already own. Every second you wait is a second you're missing out on opportunities to change your financial situation. The strategies I've shared aren't just about making money, they're about creating a better, more secure future for yourself and your family. Remember, it's not about starting perfectly. It's about starting now. As the saying goes, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. You have the tools, the resources, and the knowledge to make this happen. All that's left is to take the first step. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear which strategy you're excited to try first. And before you go, check the description and the first pinned comment for links to exclusive resources that can help you take action even faster. You stayed until the end, and I've got something special for you. YouTube chose the perfect video to keep you on track with your financial journey. It's on the screen right now, so go ahead and click it. I'll see you there.